Here's Ralph Johnson working away, sharpening the power saw that they got. I guess they must have run through a heavy knot or something that needs sharpening to do a good job. And he's working away at that, trying to fix it.
That's really nice.
Perfect. But no. Here's Janine out across the street with all the children. I'm going to try and bring them up closer. They're too far away. Maybe she's entertaining about 10 children over there.
That's my oldest son.
I wonder if they're playing Mother, May I Come?
That's our youngest son, Lauren. I know.
She's demonstrating what they have to do. Okay, let's see now what's happening.
No, wait a minute.
Oh, a race. Uh-oh. I think the dog won that race. Cheers from Mervyn.
Cookies from Richard.
That's really good coffee, isn't it?
That's good coffee. You bet.
Here, and over there, checking out.
Get a sharp chain.
They're getting impatient, waiting for the saw to be sharpened. They're blaming Ron here for keeping Ralph out of business. So he's taking the clue and leaving the... Hi, Ron. Hey, there's Mrs. Berg showed up on the scene.
Hi.
Hello, Mrs. Berg.
Thank you, I'm fine.
Great.
I have to relinquish my post as hospitality chairman this year because I have grandchildren.
Oh, I got a picture of them. I figured they're playing Mother May I or something like that.
Every once in a while. We're hoping for sunshine because there's no place for 12 kids to play in the trailers.
That's right.
How long have you been here? On again.
Couple.
Back up there.
Peeling the old poplar post.
That's right.
You're doing a good job there.
And just point the blade down like that towards the tree a little more.
Length there, I guess. There's some that are on flat one side.
Oh, okay. Ignore that one and that one then. Give her a good pull. There you go.
There's a great big heavy one there.
Yeah.
Where's all the shorter ones? We're going to have to use them.
Now try to see where you started. Try to.
Oh, I don't know.
That's right. Keep going. Yeah.
You guys, isn't that a long one?
Pretty hard sometimes to get through those. Oh, the other way. There you go. There you go.
Losing something.
Putting the next log on.
Yeah.
Better at the far end. Want to just get a fatter log here.
Who?
Ken Campbell?
start with this log here. Let's get this log.
That have been laid out with all the numbers to show which wall they came from and what position they're in. And they will be resurrected one at a time from the bottom row to the top after they get that first 2 or 3 rows of new logs on. This is day 2, and it was raining here an hour ago, spitting rain, and now it's cleared right off. It's going to be a beautiful day. Just what we ordered. Getting to be a good crew here now. I should get a lot done today. Counting the old dowels, wooden dowels that held the log house together before they have to pound them all out to make room for the new ones.
Yes, keep going. You're down.
Here comes Evelyn. There comes Evelyn Braun. Of all people. She's telling stories already of how it used to be. Here's Jean, gonna play some games with the kids of some kind. Carrying the logs by front end loader.
Teamwork.
Teamwork. Teamwork is right.
Sextet.
We got the guys on the inside. Quick, put it on.
That's how you build a log house. Sandy's little generator here. Help over there. Should get that thing level.
Goes without the motor started.
They call that an Armstrong.
Too many drawbacks. Too many people have been on it. Drink it up? Another end wall or a side wall laid out.